The Human Rights and Public Life program is doing three things. Firstly, it's looking at the question of how can we reclaim social democracy for not just Australia, but beyond Australia. What would it mean today to make the social democratic project live again? And that's a question about ideas. So if we're to retrieve the ideas that inform social democracy, what are the ideas that oppose social democracy? Because politics is an adversarial business, and we are living in an age which is defined by a project that came into being in order to defeat social democracy. That's neoliberalism. So to reclaim social democracy, we have to develop a practical critique of neoliberalism. This brings us back to the role of ideas. We have to look at the ideas that inform both projects, both in historical context and, as it were, independently of historical context. In other words, if social democracy came into being in a historical time, how do we rethink those ideas in our time? What are the principles behind those ideas? The third thing is to engage in public communication and discourse, to make sure that we're not just hived away talking to each other as academics about ideas, but that we're engaged in the practical question of testing what we're thinking about in talking with other people.